You just slept 8 hours, you ate a good breakfast, but by 10 a.m., you're already exhausted. You're told to drink more coffee, but that's like putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg. Today, I'm giving you a 5-minute protocol that will actually fix the problem and reset your energy for the entire day.
The problem is your body's alarm clock, your cortisol, is broken. It's stuck on, and you're always in fight or flight.
This protocol uses one simple tool to hit the reset button: morning sunlight. Here's the 3-step plan.
Step 1. Within 60 minutes of waking, you must go outside. The timing is critical.
And outside means outside. Looking through a window does not work. The glass filters the specific light you need. Step 2. No sunglasses and no phone. Your phone hijacks your morning dopamine. Sunlight builds it.
Step 3. Do this for 5 minutes. Just look towards the bright sky, not at the sun. If it's overcast, aim for 10.
That's the protocol. 1. Outside within 60 minutes. 2. No phone. 3. For 5 minutes. Now, here's the magic. So how does this actually work? It's not magic, it's biology. You have secret cells in your eyes
Called Melanopsin receptors. They don't see images, they see light. They are your master clock switch. When that 7 a.m. light hits those cells, they send a wake-up signal directly to the master clock in your brain. This instantly triggers that healthy cortisol spike, making you feel alert and focused all day. As a bonus, this same light is one of the most powerful ways to boost serotonin, your natural mood chemical.
But that's not the best part. But the real magic doesn't happen until 10 p.m. tonight. That 7 a.m. light starts a timer.
A 14-hour timer. So when 9 p.m. hits, your brain knows exactly when to release melatonin, the sleep hormone.
That morning light is the secret to deeper, more restorative sleep tonight.
Now, I know what you're thinking. What if it's cloudy? What if I wake up late?
If it's cloudy, the light is still powerful. You just need more time. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes.
And no, your house lights are not strong enough. They are 100 times weaker. You must go outside.
If you wake up late at 10 a.m., the rule is the same. Just go outside. It's always better than not doing it. So the protocol is simple. 1. Go outside within 60 minutes. 2. No phone. 3. For 5 to 10 minutes. This is the simplest, most powerful health reset on Earth. I challenge you to try this for just 1 week. This is the solution for suspect #1. To see the other 3 thieves that are stealing your energy, watch our full case file here. I'm Dr. Meow. Subscribe for more medical truths that actually work.